Hi everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie. This is going to be part of my lunch. So I'll add the simple things first, and at the end, these are add-ins that you can put in if you want to make your smoothie extra healthy. All right, there we go. What you're going to need is something to blend with, something to push your fruits and things down, something to put your smoothie in when you're done. You can start with fresh fruits or you can use frozen fruits. Frozen fruits you can buy, or you can just cut up your fruits the size you want and then stick them in the freezer. If you use frozen fruits, then you won't need to add ice later, and it helps the flavor not get diluted with the water. So I got this tropical blend. There's peaches, strawberries, and mango slices in it. You can also add frozen bananas. I like to slice up my bananas into little slices and then freeze them into Ziploc bags, so then they're easy single servings. Spinach. This is a great way to sneak in those vegetables into your food. The kids won't even know, and they won't even drink it. Some and some yogurt. You can use any kind of yogurt you would like. This one is a Vietnamese yogurt that I just made. So I'm using my own homemade yogurt, but you can use store-bought yogurt too. Some add-ins that I'm going to put in to make mine extra healthy, and because this is going to be my lunch today, is super seed blend. This one has flax, chia, and hemp seed, and some coconut ground up. I'm also going to put in some cut up ginger. I use fresh ginger for this. I just been really into using ginger lately. And some plant protein powder. These are extra things that you can put in, but it's not required. So what you're gonna do is make sure, if your child's gonna help you with this, then make sure that you're nearby so that things don't get broken or they don't actually hurt themselves. All right, I'm gonna move my cup out of the way. All right. I have all my stuff in a basket so they don't, they're easy to carry. All right, so what you need is to put the stuff in here. I'm gonna start with my yogurt. I've really been enjoying making my own yogurt because I can add as much sugar or as little sugar as I want, and I can control the level of tartness. I don't like mine to be too tart. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to put in my bananas. Now, if you're using fresh fruits, you're going to want to get a cup of ice to make it extra thick. Otherwise, it will be really runny and not so much a smoothie. All right, I'm gonna blend this up a little bit. Push down a little bit. Add some fruit in. You can also add orange juice or other types of juice to it as well. You don't want to do it all at once though, because then it gets really hard to mix. This one is great, or I can just pulse it. That way I can control You want to mix it up with some the raw stuff and then with the frozen stuff, so it gets a little bit blended easier. Okay. Now I've done the last of my fruits. Down. If your child is helping you push things down, make sure that you unplug it first so that there's no accidental injuries. Great thing about fresh fruits is that your child can help you slice up all the fruits before putting it in. All right, now I'm gonna add in powders. Ginger. And my protein powder. These are the add-ins that you can put in or not. When it's running without the clumpiness and it's starting, you can hear it start whining really fast, that means that it is all well blended and ready to drink.